Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are going to answer a question that came in mathematics paper 1 for 2024 for internal candidates. So this is our question 12, where we have question A and B. So we are going to start with question A. Solve the equation 3 raised to the power of 1 minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 5. So they want us to find the value of x. Okay, so how can we solve this equation? So first thing, we're going to write the equation. So our equation is 3 raised to the power of 1 minus 2x then plus 4 is equal to 5. So what are we going to do? So what we are going to do is, we can see 3 raised to the power of 1 minus 2x then plus 4. So this 4 and the 5, they are like terms because they don't have any power that is raised to them with a variable. Okay, so we can take this 4 to the right hand side. So we're going to have 3 raised to the power of 1 minus 2x is equal to 5 minus 4. So this 4 is a positive, it becomes now a negative 4. So we are going to have 3 to the power of 1 minus 2x is equal to 5 minus 4, it's a 1. Now here we want to find the value of x, and the base here is a 3, the base here is a 1. So we need to make sure that we have same bases on the left hand side and the right hand side. So in order for us to do that, when you go back to, if you have something like a to the power x equal to 1, this one, the way you can find the value of x, you can write it as a to the power x equal to a to the power 0. So that this base and this base are the same. Because if you have a raised to the power of 0, that's when you're going to have a 1. So the same idea, we're going to apply it here. So I write 3 to the power of 1 minus 2x equal to 3 to the power 0. So that this base and this base are the same. So if the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. So we can have 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. So we can let this negative 2x go this side, the 0 come this side. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 2x. So from here, what are we going to do? So 1 minus 0, it will give us a 1 equal to 2x. So we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 2, so that on the right hand side, we just remain with what? With x. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. Therefore, x equal to 1 over 2. So this is our answer for question A. So let us now look at our question B. Alright, so we've now come to our question B right here. The question reads, the diagram shows a sector A or B whose area is 231 centimeter square and the radius is 14 centimeter. The angle subtended at the center is theta. So the angle right here at the center is this theta, and the radius from A to O is 14. Even from O to B is the same radius, 14. Find the value of theta. Take pi to be 22 over 7. So in order for us to find the value of this theta, we are going to use the formula that we can use to find the area of this sector. So our formula is area is equal to theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. So this is the formula. Now we need to substitute where there is this pi. We are going to put 22 over 7. So pi is 22 over 7. Okay, then radius we have been given, which is 14. Area we have been given in the question, which is this area right here, which is 231. So we just need to find the value of theta, which is an angle. So we substitute where there is area, we put 231 equal to theta divided by 360 degrees times where there is pi, we put 22 over 7 times 14 times 14, because the radius is squared. So I write 14 times 14. Then from here, what are we going to do? So we can divide here. We look for the numbers, can go into 22 and 360. We say 2 here, it's 11. Then 2 into 360, we are going to have 180. Okay, so from here, we are going to write 231 equal to So we can just say theta times 11 times 14 times 14. Okay, now we can cancel a 7 here 1, 7 here, it's a 2. We can have something like that. So we have theta times 11 times this 2 right here, then times what? 14. Then we divide by 108. So I hope this is clear. Then from here, we can say 2 here, 1, 2 into 180, it's a 90. Okay, then we can have 231 equal to theta times 11 times 14 over 90. So this is paper 1. You really need to know how you can work out this one, because you are not going to have a calculator. So you can divide this side by 1 so that we cross multiply. 231 times 90. So don't get the final value, just write 231 times 90 is equal to theta times 11 times 14. So you want to find the value of theta, so you divide 11 times 14. Okay, even to the left hand side you do the same, 11 times 14. Then from here we can cancel 11 and 11, 14 and 14, so that we just remain with what? With theta. So theta is equal to, so now here, okay, here what are you going to do? You can say 11 here 1, 11 into 23, it's 2, because 2 times 11 you get 22. So there is a remainder of 1. So this 1 and the 1 you have 11. 11 into 11 it's 1. Meaning that 11 into 231, because there are 21 times. Then times, okay? Then times. So from here, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? So what we can do is this. We say 21 times 90 over 14. Okay. So from here we write theta equal to, so 21 and 14. We can say 7 here it's 2. 7 into 21 it's a 3. Okay. Then 2 here 1. 2 into 90 it's a 45. So here you have the denominator 1, and you have 3 times 45, which will give us 135 degrees. So this is our value of theta. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.